Hi Pratik.
Hello, Jyoti. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Doing fine as well. Thank you.
Okay, Pratik. So tell me about yourself.
Yeah, so my name is Pratik Mantri. I am born and brought up in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. I finished my graduation from Christ University in Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
I started my career at Amazon as an account management support associate. The role was to assist the North American sellers with their account and profile management. Uh,
Okay.
in that role, one of the major accomplishments I'm most proud of was I was the youngest to achieve the Best Performer Award for two
Oh,
consecutive quarters in 2017 among a cohort of 400 people. Although I did learn a lot from that role, I always wanted to move towards the business side of the domain and understand how Amazon is making money and what goes into the the product making and everything. And hence I uh, did a digital marketing course and got myself promoted as a senior advertising specialist with Amazon India team. With the
okay.
ads team, I worked for 1.5 years with 75 plus Amazon brands and various advertising agencies, giving them
Mm-hmm.
giving them best practices on their optimization and campaign management techniques. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Apart from work, I do enjoy trekking. I have also climbed the Asia's largest monolith hill, and I also play badminton with my father and try to keep myself fit, with any kind of sport.
Right.
That's all about
Okay. So from your application, and like you mentioned, you were working with Amazon for the last 3 years, right?
it. Yeah.
So what was your job profile like? What were you doing? Like what was a day like?
So, as I told, I started my career with a profile of account management support associate. So this was a backend profile where we had to assist the North American sellers uh,
Mm-hmm.
with their account and their profile management. So it was a technical account management role. Post which I
Mm-hmm.
moved to the Amazon advertisements team, where
Mm-hmm.
I was a subject matter expert for Amazon brand ads. So the ads which you see on the Amazon desktop or on the mobile app, the placements, the optimization technique, the best practices on how should the brands bid for those. What are the keywords should the brands and advertising agencies have? So all such techniques were shared by our team, and we helped. At the end of the day, we were helping brands get the maximum returns out of their advertising investment, and trying to gain the business more from them.
Okay, so Pratik, just a quick question. So, why did you move from account management to the advertising team? That too in just a span of 1.5 years.
Yeah. So, as in, I mean, in the role at Amazon, I realized that how a client facing and a business role will help me in my future. The backend role wasn't really helping me, in gaining my skill set, the soft skills. But I did realize that moving into a client facing and a business role will help me learn from the business leaders out there, and will help me nurture out my own talent. And hence I did a digital marketing course in the backend, and also attended a couple of interviews, got some feedbacks from the senior managers at the role, understood what the role is all about, and grabbed the opportunity at the advertisements.
Okay, okay. So it sounds as if you always wanted to get into the marketing, advertising side of it.
Yeah.
Then why did you start off with the account management side? Did you try to get into advertising at the outset?
Yeah, I did try to get into the marketing and advertisements role, but at the end of the day, brand name matters a lot, and Amazon as a company in your CV does make a lot of impact, and hence I was okay to start with any kind of role at Amazon, and I knew that how flexible it is in Amazon to switch and to get some internal job transfers, and hence I didn't mind to take any such role from the campus. So this was a campus basis. I didn't mind to take any such role, and I thought that I did later move into a marketing or advertisement role, maybe 1.5 or 2 years down the line.
Okay. So, like, Amazon is a very reputed company, right? So now leaving that and coming here to learn, and again you will be trying for job, right? So what makes you think that that would be a better idea than rather than sticking with Amazon and getting a promotion there and expanding your career there?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, while my promotion cycle, might be due in a year or so, but I feel
Mm-hmm.
there are some uh, there are some the best practices or business best practices which you don't always learn from your on job experiences. You need we as youngsters, we need to learn from the industry leaders out there, to survive in this VUCA world. So you need to learn the best practices, uh, and how to leverage those technical skills and business skills to nourish in your job. So I felt that uh, a 1 year fast track curriculum would definitely mold myself into a better business leader for tomorrow. And in terms of promotion, uh, while working is constant, I mean, all your life we all have to work, but I think studies is something which is very much important when it comes to one's life cycle. And hence I decided to take a break in between, a 1 year break, and focus on my studies, come back to to the corporate world. And again, I don't mind joining Amazon back, but
Mm-hmm.
I would definitely want to experience some consulting profiles which I would be getting from Great Lakes College. But again, Amazon is a great company to work with, and uh, I would love to be uh, back there maybe in future.
Okay, nice. So, why did you select marketing? Why not finance? Like, why particularly marketing?
So I did my graduation in finance, so I have a
Mm-hmm.
good knowledge of finance right now. And
Mm-hmm.
although while studying finance, I did a couple of internships in market research and business development during my undergraduation, and that's how my interest, gradually shifted towards marketing and business development. And hence, I decided that uh, I need to pursue this particular field. And my work experience also was in advertisement. And in order to grow in this particular field, you need to learn the subject, as a whole. Just by having some work experience, I cannot grow in this particular field. So hence the option was to uh, do a specialization in marketing and uh, gain some much better offers from the campus.
Okay. And why Great Lakes? Why not some other university?
Uh, so I already have 3 years of experience, and with a 3 year of experience in India, I think it makes sense to go for a 1 year fast track MBA rather than a 2 year PGDM. Hence, I felt that I should be eyeing to the colleges and universities which provides 1 year fast track courses, and
Mm-hmm.
which will provide me and cater to me a 360-degree learning. So Great Lakes is known for their Karma Yoga program which they offer. They have specializations in marketing and analytics. One of the best combos which is offered in the country, and the teachers and professors are world class. And basically, it was all a package. And if I was getting all that in a year,
Mm-hmm.
why should I go for a 2 year program? The opportunity cost also matters, and hence Great Lakes.
Right. So, what
Okay.
now after the MBA? Where do you see yourself getting in exactly after the MBA and long term, a few years down the line?
So I plan to switch towards a consulting role. At Amazon, my profile was very similar to what a consultant does, solve business problems at the end of the day. And while Amazon is a big e-commerce company, I right now want to switch, to a consulting company as a whole, and learn, learn various industry best practices across various domains. So the advantage of being in a consulting industry is I can shift domains. I can work in a banking sector. Maybe 2 years down the line, I can shift myself to a maybe retail sector. So this is what I'm looking out for in my future, and this is what my plan is for maybe 5 to 7 years down the line.
Okay, all right. But one aspect that isn't convincing me is that you're a complete advertising expert, a marketing expert. You're going to do your specialization in marketing. Won't it make more sense to get into marketing again and make yourself a complete expert instead of going into consulting and kind of diluting your profile as such?
No, not really. While you're right, I mean, a core marketing role will definitely help me. But I am a person who likes to stay on my toes. I mean, I I really like traveling. I really like meeting new people. I really like to be in a client facing and a business profile. So I think these are some aspects which define me, and hence I feel that a consulting profile is much suitable for me than a core marketing job.
Okay. All right. So you mentioned traveling. Where have you traveled recently?
So as I said, I keep doing a lot of treks in and around my city. So at Bangalore, I have had couple of treks around Skandagiri, around Avala Betta, and Savandurga treks. And back in my hometown, I have also covered treks around my city as the Kunti Betta National Park and all such treks. Apart from I have also covered all the states of India, and that's something which I'm proud of. And I think travel is something which is on the go. I mean, it's just uh, I prefer doing backpacking trips than having planned trips.
Okay. So Pratik, can you mention some challenging event that you must have done in your Amazon career for 3 years?
Sure. So uh, this was at the time of the Great Indian Sale, which happens during Diwali. We all go gaga over the discounts which we all get during the sale. So this was during the time of October. So the sale happens in three phases, if you notice. There's
Mm-hmm.
one phase, there's second phase, and there's third phase within a span of time. And and this is a very busy season at Amazon. It's one of the most peak seasons. And so this was at a time where uh, we had a overload of advertisers to cater with. So I personally was handling around 70 plus Amazon brands, and I had to personally reach out to them, understand what their difficulties are, understand what their new product launches are, help them with customized plans to launch
Mm-hmm.
their product, advertise their product on the platform, give
Mm-hmm.
them keyword and bidding style suggestions. So this was a tedious job which I had to do within 2 to 3 days, and uh, it all happened smoothly. I tried to manage my time efficiently. Uh, and one thing which I try to do on my own is I personalize every such messages. So this is what I love about the work at Amazon. So instead of reaching out all the 75 advertisers together, I try to personalize the message to each one of them, and I think that did make an impact. So I learned that how personalization of a message and how personalization uh, to a client matters a lot. And this was a period where my uh, I think my job was being uh, at a situation where I had a lot of tremendous amount of work, and I did come out of it with flying colors.
Do you have any questions for us?
Uh, no, nothing.